Hello friends, I Dr. Sandeep Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Entomology, School of Agriculture Science, Lovely Professional University, Jalandhar, Punjab. Today we will be discuss about the important topic that is beekeeping, also known as the apiculture. Beekeeping, apiculture, it is a scientific study or the scientific cultivation of the bees for the production of the honey and their byproducts. Bees are play important role into the pollination also. Okay, they are on the earth, their 70% crop production is depend on to the cross pollinations or onto the insect pollinations. Among those, honeybees are the ideal pollinators. So, apiculture or beekeeping, it is the ancient known to us as well as today's it is become a modern bee business because honeybees they give us the important products such as the honey, wax, pollen, bee venom, royal jelly. These are the important products. Into the beekeeping or apiculture, we are if you talk about the equipments, then we are having the bee box or beehives. The bee box or beehives, that is the Langstroth hive, is common for the worldwide. That is made up by the bottom board, brood chamber, queen excluder, super chamber, inner cover, and the upper cover. These boxes are put at a particular sites that is known as the apiary. For the apiary selections, we are having important the important key points we have to be always follow. Our the apiary should be installed at a place where the stagnant condition shouldn't be there, direct wind flow shouldn't be there, so wind barrier should be there, as well as the side area should be there. And the first and important factor is the availability of the pollens or the nectars or the nectar sources. Into the beehives, there are the different castes are there. There is one queen that their function is to egg laying and maintain the integrity and pheromones of the colony. Then after we are having the drones, they are around 5 to 10% of the total colony. These are the fertile males. Along with those, the major member of the colony are the infertile females or workers. Those play or do the all activities of the beehives, from the honey preparation to the take care of the all young ones as well as the queen. The beehives, into the beekeepings, we are require the different equipment such as the beehives, bee box, hive tool, smoker, frames, uncapping knives, these and the centrifugal machine for the honey extractions. These are the important equipments into the beekeepings. We talk about the challenges into the beekeeping, then first and important one is the climatic conditions, the pesticide use into the agricultural activities, as well as the unorganized market for the honey and honey products. These are the important challenges. Okay, and nowadays there is the demand is increasing of the raw unripened, the we can say the raw and unprocessed honey, as well as the uniflora honeys. Their market is increasing day by day. So this is the great opportunity for the farmers as well as the new entrepreneurs. Okay, for the beekeepings. So beekeeping is not just about the honey. It is about the nature, maintain the biodiversity. It is give the opportunity to the farmers. So if you want to learn more about the apiculture, then you are welcome into the School of Agriculture Science. Please come to the agro farms. We are having a large apiary. More than 60 boxes of the honeybees are with us, and where all the aspect of the apiculture or beekeepings are happening, from the pollination, so we can say the maintenance of the bee flora as well as maintenance of the apiary. To explore more, please come to the agro farms, Lovely Professional University. Thank you. Have a nice day.